headlight is a bit opaque, as you can see. So my idea, fantastic idea obviously, was to test this very good kit, Regenera Rinnova Fari. So let's see how it works. While cleaning it, if you want to be very precise, I saw that there are some dots that are probably from some stones, so there are quite a lot here, and I will show you a little bit more how this headlight is before, so we can have a good look at the after. So you can see what we've got there. I put all the things, so they're from Mafra, as I said before. We've got the abrasive sandpaper, we've got the polish, and then we've got the last, how can we say, lens sealer. Now that I've shown you the kit and we washed the lens, we've covered with the tape, let's go and do the first step. Finished. It was long work, especially the polishing, but I want to show you the result. The result is really good. You might see it. See, it's completely polished and nice looking, and there is no opaque part anymore. So top. And now we go the part 3 last, and we put the sigillante per fari, headlights lens sealer. That I need to understand how to do it, so I will tell you later. I would say very good result. A bit longer than what I thought, but very good result. So, back to us. We've got the brushes, okay, then we have polish, and then finally headlights lens sealer. And this is the result. In my opinion, very good. I'm satisfied with Mafra.